Welcome back to the Piney Woods Homestead. Today I've got to get on the Easy Boardwalk Junior Mill and get some 4x4s milled up for Sampson's lot. We've still got that chute section to do to tie in his lot to where the females are at now so that we can easily get him back and forth when it's breeding time. I'm going to get on that. If I have enough time and feel like it, I'm going to clean up the tiller on the back of the tractor and get it ready to put in the garden down here. There's a big rain coming tomorrow and the next day, and I really want to get my first till done so that my cover crop can start breaking down and deteriorating before we go to planting. I'll have to do one more till on it after it's dried out, kind of fluff it up before we do any seed planting or putting our plants out there in the ground that Lisa's been working so hard on. But guys, thanks for hanging out with us at the Piney Woods Homestead. Hit that old thumbs up for us and subscribe if you hadn't, and if you have, y'all, we appreciate you. We're gonna get on to it. Now y'all, that's 4 true 4x4s. Rough cut, 8 foot long. What'd that take me? Well, I've edited so you can't really tell how long it's taking me, but it's taking me about 15 minutes to mill that entire log up. And I only need about 5 4x4s, and I have wood on the pile up here. But I'll go ahead and cut me some more lumber that I'm gonna need, and then we'll get on to something else around here. All right, y'all, that's all the mill that I'm gonna do today. Ended up with about 8 4x4s. some siding for Sampson's lot, and some 2x4s because I needed it for his lot. Got to get that thing done, but they're calling for rain here for the next couple of days. So I got enough milling for one day anyhow. Still got logs on the log deck ready to do next time I get out here. Now I'm gonna go down here with the tractor and get this food plot turned under. You really want that cover crop to get turned under and decomposed before you go to planting. So let's get on that. Found the head of my scarecrow from last year. It's a semen bag for pigs. All right, y'all, thanks for spending just a little bit of time with us today at the Piney Woods Homestead. Got a little bit of lumber milled for Sampson's new lot and got this food plot cover crop turned under for the missus. She'll be happy about that. In a couple of weeks, we'll come back down here, turn it again. It'll be ready to plant, y'all. And we got some neat stuff we're gonna do in the garden this year. I think you'll be excited about that when you see it. Y'all have a good day, a great week. Subscribe if you hadn't, and if you have, y'all, we do appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one, and a thumbs up.